Houston Maritime Lawyers. Home Houston Maritime Lawyers. Maritime Lawyer. Houston Maritime Lawyers. Maritime Workers' Rights. Maritime FAQ. Disputes with maritime leaders. Maritime companies. Maritime Employers Lawsuit. American Offshore Accident Lawyers. Texas Maritime Injury Lawyers. Louisiana Maritime Accident Lawyers. Mississippi Maritime Accident Lawyers. Alabama Maritime Accident Lawyers. Florida Maritime Accident Lawyer. New York Maritime Accident Lawyers. California Maritime Accident Lawyer. Alaska Maritime Injury Lawyers. International Maritime Lawyers. Request free consultation. 888-571-1001. Or go to contact form. Let's start now. Houston Maritime Attorneys. The city of Houston, located on the Gulf Coast, is a hub of maritime activity, with a thriving maritime trade, commercial fishing, and offshore drilling industry. Each year, tens of billions of dollars in maritime trade and industry flow through the Houston area, facilitated by the hard-working men and women who work in these industries. As a result, many multi-billion and million-dollar companies have made their headquarters in Houston or employ large numbers of staff there. The Port of Houston also offers direct access to the heart of Texas in the coastal waters of the Gulf of Mexico for mariners and trade. Longshoremen and other workers who are injured in the course of their work on the waters of the Gulf Coast may be eligible to file claims under the LHWCA, Longshore and Harbor Workers' Compensation Act. Those injured while working on the water, however, may need the specialized expertise and experience of a Jones Act law firm like Doyle Dennis LLP to properly pursue their legal rights under federal and state maritime laws. Our attorneys are skilled in handling Jones Act and other maritime injury cases, and we are dedicated to helping injured maritime workers in Houston and the surrounding area get the justice and compensation they deserve. Contact us today to learn more about your rights and legal options. Proven record of winning verdicts and settlements on behalf of our clients. The Doyle Dennis LLP Maritime Team is composed of experienced and knowledgeable maritime and admiralty attorneys, including offshore injury lawyers and maritime amputation injury attorneys. They have a proven track record of success in securing jury verdicts and confidential settlements for their clients, and are dedicated to helping those who have suffered work-related injuries in offshore accidents get the justice and compensation they are entitled to. Our attorneys are skilled in evaluating jurisdiction and determining the best course of action for each case, taking into account the different bodies of water and the types of injuries involved. They are prepared to pursue your claim through all available legal channels, including a jury trial if necessary. At Doyle Dennis LLP, we are dedicated to fighting for the rights of injured maritime workers. As experienced maritime lawyers, we understand the unique challenges and dangers that maritime workers face when working on the coastal waters of Texas and the Gulf of Mexico. We have extensive experience handling complex maritime injury cases involving closed head injuries, burn injuries, crush injuries, and other catastrophic injuries, and we are prepared to help you gather and evaluate the medical records and other evidence needed to support your claim. Our maritime attorneys are skilled in negotiating with insurance companies and other parties to secure a fair and favorable settlement on your behalf, and we are prepared to take your case to trial if necessary to obtain the justice and compensation you deserve under the Jones Act. We are committed to ensuring that our clients receive the medical treatment and compensation they need and deserve, and will work tirelessly to ensure that they receive the medical improvement and case resolution they need to recover from their injuries. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you with your maritime injury case.